What was it about deliveries that gave you that aha moment? Okay, yeah, this is where I want to be.
So I already liked riding my bike. When I came here for the first time, when I moved to Chicago, I was 21 years old and I had a friend that was living here. He actually grew up with me down south in Texas, but he went to Texas in 7th grade. We went through junior high and high school together. After high school, he moved back to Chicago. I came to visit him. I was supposed to be here for like 3 days and I ended up staying here. And he took me on a bike ride. And I've never experienced the bike ride like this. So immediately I'm thinking we're gonna ride the sidewalk, and this guy went straight into the streets, and I've never ever done that before, and I was scared. And he's grabbing onto the back of like the garbage truck. And like the garbage truck is taking off and he's riding, like I'm like, wow. And he was just really good, and he's still really good at biking.
To watch the full podcast, go to my YouTube channel.